Hi guys, welcome back. As some of you know, I quite like my drones also, and I just got this thing. Let's open up and I'll show you what comes in the box. Right, I'm not gonna try to bore you with all the single details on it, but just want to go through it, show you what comes in the box and what it does really. And then there'll be a video also. Just make your own personally. I think it's quite good. So this is a SJRC F11 4K Pro. In the box you get obviously the drone, controller. I got the one with the 2 batteries and this quite nifty case really, very good case. And you also get your user manual, and there is one on the app also. You gotta download the SJRC F11 app for USB cable charger. You get a set of spare propellers, some little screws and an Allen key. The controller itself comes out like that. You got your phone holder there. You got a couple of grips at the bottom here, so when you put your phone there you can easily hold it and hopefully try to control it. You got your antennas at the back there. By the way, this is a 5G Wi-Fi. You need something like an iPhone or similar. Power on. You got your mods in there. Okay, so obviously that's a yaw and up and down, left and right, forward and back obviously. You got your video button here, that's a tilt on the camera, and that's the zoom in on the camera, and that's your photo button there. That's pretty much it really from it. There is more options obviously in the app. If you want to switch it off, you gotta press it once and then hold it. It goes off. The drone itself, personally I quite like this type of drones because you can just take it anywhere. It doesn't take a lot of space. Got a floor sensor at the bottom there. Those are fake. They're not obstacle avoidance. It hasn't got none of that. But it does have a 2-axis camera gimbal, and it's a 4K camera. Takes video at 30 frames per second. So it's got up and down, and it's got a lot of sideways. To open it up, you gotta pull the front arms first, which is the top ones, then you can do the back ones. Well, this costs about £160 UK money. It's got a good camera on it really for the price. 4K 30 frames per second video. It's got GPS, return home, follow me, circle me, waypoints, points of interest, track obstacle, and many other options in there. If the battery is low, it won't let you fly further than like 35 meters. I tried it earlier. It was literally getting up to 35 meters and then bringing it back to 25 meters nearer me. It's got the tracking device on it, on the app as well, so if you do lose it, you can go into the settings and you will find a little thing in there that it will tell you where you lost connection on a drone or when it went down if it does go down.